Morning. This is a follow-up on this 06 Dodge. Had bad motor. Got her installed. I'll take and give you a fire up of her. Runs out pretty good. I've had her fired up and I've drove the truck a few times. Runs out real good. Engine runs out real great. Got the transmission fixed, got the overdrive section fixed on her. We've got other issues going on, got some electrical issues. This is the gauge cluster here is all busted up. It's not working correctly. It's a common problem with Chrysler, Dodges. Can't buy a new cluster, you have to send them out and have them refurbished because they're obsolete now. But I was kind of interested. I was looking at the miles on this odometer here, and then I look up here in the side there where somebody got their oil changed last, and them miles are quite a ways out. We'll get that changed around. I hope somebody didn't change out this gauge cluster and that's what it was supposed to be. But you never know. But I found the gauge cluster bad. Got the tach not working, the speedo's not working correctly. Some of the other gauges are kind of lazy. But I also come across a total integrated control module out underneath the hood, which is a fancy sentence for fuse panel. But found that bad, come back bad. We found some other stuff. This is in the dash, finding green corrosion inside the dash and stuff, and got some cut wires. Some people try to install some stuff, but got to take and be careful about what wires you're cutting. But we'll get her all fixed up for him. It's been a long road. And she'll be going on down the road, be heading home. So, y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, and we'll see you around. Bye.